another video. Today's video I'm gonna do a grinding again, and I also have news. I downloaded myself an editing app so I can edit my videos. So yeah, we're gonna do grinding this video. Oh bro, why am I rolling a fruit? Why am I rolling a fruit? I was just grinding. And I don't even need a fruit because I told in the last video I told in the first video I'm gonna be a sword main. But if I get a Buddha, I might consider eating it and becoming a sword Buddha main. Maybe, bro, why do I keep going to Zeolas? I'm not even gonna roll a fruit. Yeah, let me just get these quests. Yeah, this guy's probably gonna try to kill me. Bro, I don't need. I am doing. Oh, do not like to steal. Bro, he stole it. Bro, he stole it. Yeah, I recorded this video a couple minutes ago, but I decided to record again. I only did one level in my previous recording because I needed that thing was finding that's why I started new one, this one. So yeah, I might post this instead of the first one because I deleted the first recording. So yeah, I edit this video because I'm still trying to learn it. So yeah, I'm only gonna edit shorts first. Oh, I can go to the pirate island now. But I kinda don't wanna. Bro, what's this guy finding? Is the saber there? Yeah, I need to be level like 200 plus to get the saber. Or maybe 300? I forgot. Whoa, why am I rolling a fruit? I keep going to the roll fruit. I keep going to the roll fruit. Bro, I don't have a fruit. So yeah, I won't beg for fruit. A random guy gave me a rock of fruit. I still don't need it. I still don't need it. Maybe pocket but yeah, I'm not gonna talk now. So I'll just try to grind fast. videos yet. I'm just gonna edit my short. So yeah, I'll be back soon. guy is so good. He's lucky I'm not on my main team. Bro, you're lucky. You're lucky I'm not on my main account. What even is on a bounty? Oh, yes, my bounty. Stop trolling noobs. Respect noobs. We don't have a fruit. Oh look, it's bacon. Okay. Come on. Whoa! Yo, that was killing. He's lucky. Oh, he has the midnight blade. I also have that on my main. Bro, he's lucky I'm not on my main. You're lucky. He's lucky I'm too lazy to log in my main. My main is not level yet. But I have do the transformation. Bro, why did it teleport me? What? What? Yeah, I'm not gonna log in my main because I'm gonna do this next video. So yeah, don't try to get to the second C as many videos as possible. Yeah, thank you for supporting me. I thank all my viewers and subscribers for supporting me. We're quarter the way to the second C. Yeah, I don't have a fruit. I'm more noober than you. You're probably like level 50 or 60. I don't know. He has dual katana. No. Oh, that hurts. Okay, so it's already been 7 minutes and I only accomplished 1 level. Wow. I only accomplished 1 level in 7 minutes. I only accomplished 1 level. It's been 8 minutes and I only accomplished 1 level. Wow, it's been 8 minutes and I only accomplished 1 level. Bro. So yeah guys, I only accomplished like 1 level in today's video. I don't know why, probably because I keep getting distracted. So maybe this video I want. But this is so like longest video I guess. So yeah, I'll make a YouTube short very soon. Maybe I'll roll a fruit. Maybe I'll roll a fruit. Just maybe I can get a Buddha. Look, last monkey in today's video. Last monkey in today's video. So do not kill my last monkey. Come on. I guess that's for today's video. But probably like max level. My main account is only like 1,500. But I'm not logging into it now because I'm too lazy to log out. So yeah, that's for today's video. And do not. Oh wait, no. Yeah, thank you. I just wanted to say. Do not trade for Robux because I wasted all my Robux on a private server. So yeah, bye guys. See you next video.